Hey, how are you doing? It's Tom and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be checking out a new wrist rest by DeltaHub. It is in fact the Carpio. Now, I've been thinking about getting this for a very long time. It's been advertised on all sorts of social media platforms as a must-have setup requirement, so I thought I'll put it to the test. Now, according to DeltaHub, it's created with physicians, it reduces extension, moves freely, and it's got a minimalistic design and a portable size. It says it's been carefully designed in Slovenia, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I must admit the packaging of this looks real nice. Sometimes the way a manufacturer ships a product tells you so much about the quality of it, and this is pretty cool. So anyway, without further ado, let's have a look what's inside of the box. Ergonomic wrist rest, pardon the accent, I know it's a bit of a strange one, but that's just me. So, let's open it. Okay. Let's make sure it's the correct way up. So it comes in this cool DeltaHub patch, which is perfect for portability. Put that to the side for the time being. Now this is the product itself is included inside this patch, but there are other things in here. So let's put that to the side for the time being. So you've got product information. So you have a product information leaflet here. Put that to the side. You've got a how to use leaflet and where exactly to place it as well. And welcome to the fam. Love the choice of wording. And we can win DeltaHub merch if we send a photo of my setup. Definitely do that. Right, and I think that's a sticker, and if it is, it is. I absolutely love it when manufacturers include stickers. Or even sweets. It's always very nice to see and shows a good level of customer service. But now, the moment you've all been waiting for, let's have a look. There's nothing in this pouch anymore. So this is what it looks like. That comes off. Oop. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Yep, that's fine. That's what it looks like. You got your DeltaHub logo here, and yeah, the whole purpose of this is to move along with your wrist whilst using your mouse. Now this comes in two sizes, either a large or a small, but my hands are tiny, so I chose a small version. For a size guide, the way to test them according to the website, and that's exactly what I've done, is to get a credit card and to put it on your hand. If the credit card is smaller than your hand, then you should get a large one. If it's bigger or just halfway in between, then you should get a small one. Now, for those of you who don't know, Curve is a pretty decent thing. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave my code in the description of this video. Basically, what that code does is, if you decide to sign up for Curve, we both get £5. and this is only obviously available in the UK as far as I'm aware. But basically what it does, it's pretty cool. It combines all of your cards. So if you have a credit card, if you have more than one bank account, all of those bank accounts will be available through one card, and you just switch it in the app to whichever one you use. And obviously that offers you a lot more security features, because if say you lose this card, you won't actually lose your main bank card, and you can actually disable this card in the menu. So it's pretty awesome. The app is very well built. I've been using this for quite some time, and not only is the customer service great on this, but it's a great card, and it comes in 3 tiers. Got the basic tier now, and I highly recommend it. So if you want £5 and you want to support this channel as well, check out the link in the description of this video. But let's get back to this. So if we move all of that to the side for the time being, now my main go-to mouse is obviously going to be the Logitech MX Master 3. It's an absolutely amazing mouse, highly recommend the purchase. There will be a review coming on this shortly, but I'm going to see what it feels like with the rest. So let's have a look. So this is how you're meant to actually use it. What you're meant to do is it's meant to travel along with you, and the one thing I will say, there is a massive difference here already. It just feels so much more natural, so much more comfortable, because if I compare it, if I just use it like that, it just, wow, it doesn't feel right. This is absolutely the perfect addition. It just feels great. Maybe the mouse mat isn't the best for this. The mouse itself feels pretty cool, but the scroll does feel slightly tight on this. Wow, so slightly rough, I would say, to be fair. But other than that, this is pretty cool. I really like it. Now, if you own one of these wrist rests, tell us what you think in the comments of this video. All the reviews and opinions will help a potential buyer making a good decision. Yeah, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. And don't forget to follow me on my other social media. I've got Instagram, Twitter, and a Facebook page. Yeah, that's just about it.